Good morning and welcome to Heritage Builders, and I'm out here in Marble Falls at Mustang Ridge, and today we have Habishield. These folks are the installation professionals and they're going to be installing our spray foam, so stay tuned for some later clips. I'll try to catch some of the action and what we have to do to set up for spray foam. A lot of the earlier clips explained what we had to do on the frame, and so I'll try to get you some step-by-step action from Habishield. And over here we have the PEC electric boys, and they are installing my meter box. So they're installing a dual pedestal. So before long we'll actually get some temp power going over here. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back with some more clips of the spray foam. We're back with Habishield, and they're starting the prep work for the main job, which is going to be the spray foam. And you can see this is Zach, and he's spraying in the windows.
Yeah, just doing some poly sealing right now, making sure these windows are sealed up nice and tight. You don't want any air leaks around your energy efficient windows. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now before we mask everything off and get it prepped and ready for the spray foam. So just trying to make it as airtight as we possibly can. No sense in having the spray foam put in if it's not going to be.
So we go around the windows and
windows and doors and all penetrations to the outside.
Some of the corners.
Yep.
Perhaps some of the corners of the framework.
The corners where you don't have these California corners like that. Anywhere where we can get in and seal it up, we're going to get to it.
All right. There you have it, Zach from Habishield. So stay with us. I'll bring you some more live coverage as soon as he gets the main spray foam truck set up and gets to rolling. Now I've taken my trusty yard blower and done one more good final cleaning in front of Zach, so we get rid of all the dirt and the dust. We want to make sure that insulation fills all the crevices and cracks, and I don't want any sawdust and dirt in there, so I've done one last final cleanup, and we'll be back with more. I'm back on site. I'm going to check out Zach, see how he's getting along with the spray foam insulation. Once again from Habishield, installation professional. It's a little noisy. We'll sneak in here and see how this process is coming along. Like he's coming along pretty good. Talk about your dirty jobs. Where's Mike Rowe at now? I'd have Zach say a few words, but he's kind of tied up. You can see as this foam goes in to all the cracks and crevices, it expands, and then he'll go back over it and fill in any of the spots that didn't expand out through the studs, and then he'll come back in and scrape off all the excess. So you'll end up with just one complete solid core piece of foam. Does a fantastic job of air infiltration. Okay, we're on day 2 of the spray foam, and I just wanted to take you around and show you what this looks like before it's all trimmed. And I want to point out a couple things. So the walls, this is called a full fill job. So on a full fill job, your insulation will come out past the 2x4 studs or real close to it, and they'll slice that off, and it'll just be one solid chunk of styrofoam. The other option is to do nominal fill walls. And if you look in the kitchen has a 2x6 wall. So you've already got well over 4 inches of installation in there. But if those were a 2x4 wall rather than a 2x6, then that would be a nominal filled wall. So the insulation will not protrude completely out and past the 2x4 studs. So I just wanted to point that out. There's 2 different price points for the different full fill or nominal fill. And you can see he's just started doing the ceiling up in the attic. Let's take you back to this back room. So that's it, folks. This is going to be one extremely tight home. Zach will be getting finished up this evening. They'll come back tomorrow and they'll do all the trim work and all the cleanup. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to our page and hit like. And we'll see you next time.